Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a synthetic wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This wig is supposed to come pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-colored. 2 hair clips, HD wig cap, pre-cut lace, scrunchie, lash cluster. The highlights of this synthetic wig is giving human hair. But let's talk about this lace. This is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. Synthetic. 2 combs in the front. 1 in the back with elastic band to wear it glueless. This lace is giving, y'all. Look at this. But the highlights is definitely giving very, very much. For this wig, it does shed 1 or 2 strands out of this wig though. This wig is the most beginner friendly wig. I wish I had this synthetic wig back then. Use hair clips so I can push everything going to the back, so when you install this lace, it's not really an install though because it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and I'm not using any actual adhesive spray, just melting spray, so you really don't have to install this wig for real. I'm using wax stick to sleek all the hair going to the back so I can start melting this lace. Now I'm gonna take my hot comb and slick everything going to the back and do this super slow so your wig can lay down super flat and look natural looking. Ruby Kisses foundation level 12. I'm using the dark side, and as you can see, it's already giving scalp matching my skin tone. That's what you want. Right here, I'm just gonna use this small little spoolie brush. It does come with the makeup brush, but I'm gonna push all the baby hairs out of the way because right now there's still baby hairs near the lace, and I don't want that right now. I'm going to push the closure farther down so it can look like a frontal. That's what you want. And then after that, I'm gonna take my melting spray it onto my fingers, and then dab it on to the lace. And as you can see already, the lace is disappearing. This is actually a glueless wig. You do have to melt your lace still no matter what because it's gonna show. Then I'm gonna take my melting band and let this sit for 15 minutes, or you can just blow dry it with the melting band on. It's already giving frontal, but I did pull out some hair on the side so I can start to pluck this hair out because the lace is not laying down because of how big this closure is. Again, it is a 9x7, so it's super big and it's already giving frontal. This is like my favorite closure wig because it's a 9x7 and it's super beginner friendly. You don't really have to do too much, especially if you're a beginner. All of that hair that I pulled out, I'm going to pluck every last strand out. You don't need it at all. As you can see, the lace is there, so I'm going to have to cut that extra lace off because you do not need more lace because that's not going to melt very easily at all. As you can see, it's giving melted now that I cut the extra lace off. Now I'm adding more melting spray. You want to keep adding melting spray on places that does not look melted at all. There's a reason for that, so it can give scalp like it's your natural hair. And I actually love these highlights. Every time I get this kind of wig, it's giving Beyonce. Use my melting band again for the second or third time while I edit this video, 15-20 minutes. And when I come back, this should be the last melt of the wig install. Look at that lace, y'all. You can't even see the lace. Like, what lace is there? It's giving very, very much. I love this wig. It's actually from the TikTok shop, though.